What's up guys, it's Ayn here back on another video. So in my previous video regarding the MIUI 9, I said you that MIUI 9 is already in the process of being built, and it has asked you guys to answer what are the features you need on MIUI 9. I also went through some of the features like multi-window and direct reply from notification panel. But in this video guys, I'm gonna give you far more diverse information about the MIUI 9, which I had to gather from many websites and blogs and then convert into a one single video. So the video might be a bit big guys, but I'll recommend you to watch the video till the end, as there might be something you don't know about MIUI 9 and which you may know by watching this video. So please watch this video till the end. And the good part about this video is that the features that I'll tell you about MIUI 9, the chances of it being implemented on MIUI 9 is very high, because since it is based on Android 7.0 framework and most of them are quite related to that. So I'll recommend you to watch the video guys. Anyways, let's get started with the video. So before starting with the features of MIUI 9, I have something good news for you guys, is that it is rumored that the MIUI 9 beta program will start somewhere between April to June. Now there is no official confirmation for that, but many websites are claiming that the MIUI 9's beta program will start somewhere between April to June. May that come true, because we all are waiting desperately to see the first glimpse of MIUI 9. Anyways guys, now let's talk about the features. So the first feature that I want to talk about is optimized doze mode. Now you might say me that what is so special about doze mode? It was there on Android 6.0. What it does, it kills the background app so that you get an optimized battery life, right? But there's something else that is going on guys. It is rumored that MIUI 9 team or the MIUI team is building something that is similar to the doze mode, or they are creating or optimizing the doze mode of Android 7.0 and making their own something similar to the doze mode so that they could get a better battery efficiency. We all know how good the battery of Redmi phones are, so expecting further better battery life performance with the new update upcoming. So the second thing that I want to talk about is always on VPN, and now it's just an additional security guys, but it has a far more importance than just a term. So what we know about VPN is a virtual private network, and we just use it to connect to VPNs of America, Canada and so on. But that's not the only purpose guys. What it does guys is that it creates a tunnel between you and your internet so that nobody can interfere with you and you can get a safer, richer internet experience. So we are hoping for a better, richer experience of internet with the additional security in MIUI 9. So another very cool thing that you will notice on MIUI 9 is faster installation of apps and faster system updates. And here's why guys. As you know, MIUI 9 is based on Android 7.0 architecture or framework. Android 7.0 has been specially optimized so that it can install APKs in a faster rate, and also the system has been optimized to update faster, and all thanks to the APK scheme version 2. You might be already frustrated with the amount of RAM the system app consumes. No matter how much you clear the RAM, there's some heavy amount of RAM being consumed by the system app. But luckily in MIUI 9 you'll be backed up with Project Civatail. So what's that? What's Project Civatail? Project Civatail is a project guys which was specially introduced in Android 7.0, with which it has been designed in such a way that the developers can use it so that the system apps consume a far more lesser RAM than what it used to do in the previous Android versions. So in MIUI 9 we are expecting far less consumption of system memory RAM, or system apps will consume far more less RAM than what you used to do in MIUI 8. So that's a big thumbs up for that, guys. Yeah! It's not the end, guys. You also will get better 3D experience, be it a game or any application which has to consume a lot of 3D aspects. The 3D performance will be far more better in MIUI 8, and when playing or running any 3D application, the consumption of RAM and the juice consumed will be far more less than what we see in MIUI 8, and that's all because of the Android architecture 7.0. So a lot of features are actually based on the 7.0 architecture, and here's why I'm concentrating on the architecture as a whole, because based on the framework there are many features that will be implemented on MIUI 9. So it's important for you guys to know the base, and after that I'll tell about other features, cool features, but the base is very important, guys. The only thing for which you will get a better rendering, better quality, smoothness of the ROM is for this kind of things. So guys, at present we don't even bother looking at the amount of data we consume, right? It's because of the geo effect. But what will happen after then when the offers are not available anymore? Who will back you up? Here's when MIUI 9's advanced data saving mode will come handy. It will help not only to save data but in a very effective way, and it's actually a part of the Nougat ecosystem which will further be implemented on MIUI 9. Then we will also get the new emojis. Yes guys, we'll obviously get the new emojis that are officially supported by Nougat, and you obviously with some tricks can use it on Marshmallow and Lollipop, but it will be officially supported. The new set of emojis will now be available with MIUI 9. Then another feature which I actually don't know much of it, but it is known as call screening. According to different websites, they are giving different descriptions, guys, but according to my general perception, what will it do is it will track all the calls which are spam, which calls you don't want in your phone, or what calls are disturbing, and it will help automatically detect those things. And suppose it's a spam call, so it will automatically not allow the call to enter, something like that. But I feel when it comes to call, it should be under your control, guys, because there might be some technical errors for which an emergency call might be overlooked by your phone. So what do you think, guys, about this? So guys, there are also two additional features which you might be interested to know. The number one is TV screen recording. So there are times when we connect our Android phone to Android TVs or via Chromecast, whatever it might be, and we just serve the things, or just we screencast and so on. That's it, right? But have you wondered recording the shows? Have you wondered recording anything which you like or watching it later like a normal regular television set-top box? And here's where Google as well as MIUI 9 is planning to add such facilities in their ROM with which they can do so. So as a gist, guys, Google is trying to capture the ecosystem of television and adding the basic features that are missing in the casting or Chromecast, whatever you might say. I'm actually not fully sure about this feature when it will come, but it will be very good if it comes sooner the better. And the next feature will be, guys, with 7.0 Nougat, that is MIUI 9, you will get a far more enhanced, richer experience of VR. That means that it is virtual reality ready. Previously what it happened that we used to use Google's Cardboard or any other VR headsets in our phone, but we didn't know whether it was completely comfortable with it or not. But now, since with 7.0, Google is also concerned with the VR experience that the users get with it. Hence, with the 7.0 Nougat update, you will get an enhanced VR experience. And I have not checked, obviously. I'll obviously check and give you my reviews. I only have a Google Cardboard, that's all guys. Anyways, so guys, we are finally on the last point of today, and it's not actually a feature technically but an improvement over MIUI 8. So if you have been using MIUI 8, you have noticed the boot time increases as you increase the number of apps in your phone, right? It almost takes 1 minute to boot. But with MIUI 9, this problem will be fixed and it will be far more optimized than what we see in MIUI 8. That means that the boot time will be far more lesser than what we see in MIUI 8. So guys, that was all for today, and if you think this video was helpful, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos like this. Wait, don't go, I have to tell something to you guys. So guys, these were very practical, and it is bound to be implemented on the MIUI 9, and the main reason for this is, guys, the things that I told you are almost the core framework of the 7.0 architecture of Android. So there's no chance of it being missing in the MIUI 9. So these are very important features which I felt that you guys should know. If this video was good, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It's a new channel guys, we need your support to grow, and please give a feedback about the video. I really need to know how my videos are, because you guys don't interact much, so it kind of becomes difficult what type of videos you want, whether you like my videos or not. So anyways guys, it's Ayan from the Tech Info House signing off. Hope to see you in the next video.